What if I told you your laptop, your phone, and even your interest hobbies could become a stream of income flowing in your life every day? Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing that you are one step closer to your financial freedom without a boss looking over your shoulders. Hello beautiful souls, I'm proud you are here. So today we are diving into best platforms that empowers you to take control of your time, creativity, and finance. Whether you are a busy parent, a creative spirit, or someone craving for extra income, there is something here for everyone. According to Yahoo Finance, there are at least 16 viable ways to earn online, from surveys to side hustles and beyond. So if it's your first time to see this face on YouTube, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I post it twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so that you cannot miss our future uploads. So let's get started. Now the first method that you can make money online is through survey and micro tasks. Yes, survey and micro tasks. So why it matters? Low barrier to entry, flexible, and definitely no special skills that is required on these platforms. Now the platforms that you can venture in, we have Swagbuck and Prolifics. Here you earn cash or gift cards by completing surveys or even watching videos. Popular platforms include Swagbuck, OnePoll, Prolific, YouGov, and YLife, where consistent users can earn from hundreds to thousands annually. Now the next platform is a microtasks platform, and this is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a marketplace offering data validations, transcriptions, and more. While average pay ranges from $2 to $6 per hour, dedicated worker using tools like BZ Turk can push earnings closer to $8 to $12 per hour. To succeed here, you need to sign up for multiple sites, complete your profile honestly, and set aside a focused time block. Now the next one, we have freelancing. Why freelancing matters? Leverage your skills for hourly rates. Build long-term client relationship. So you may go on and ask me, Mose, which are best freelancing websites that we can join? Now you can join Upwork. Upwork is a leading marketplace that has generated $769 million in revenue last year, driven for demand in AI and technical skills. Top earning freelancers commands from $50 to $200 per hour on Upwork in niches like generative AI softwares. Fiverr is a gig-based platform where sellers list service, that is gigs, starting at $5 per hour per gig. Fiverr remains a legitimate marketplace, though competition here is fierce. Now to stand out here, you need to create a strong portfolio and niche expertise. Now the next platform that you can find other jobs, we have TopTal and FlexJobs. These platforms are invite-only websites. They connect you with premium clients who are willing to pay a top dollar. Now to succeed here, you need to create a compelling profile, gather testimonials, and continuously upskill to stay ahead. Now the next way in which you can make money online is through e-commerce and dropshipping. Why it matters? Potential for substantial revenue, and it is a scalable business model. Now to succeed on dropshipping, you need to join Shopify. Shopify powers your own online store with easy setups and robust tools. Entrepreneurs can reach up to $63,000 in monthly revenue within just 3 months and over $127,000 in the first year. Next, we have Etsy and eBay. These are perfect for handmade goods. We also have vintage and print-on-demand products. Now you need to tap into a niche and build a customer base. We also have Amazon FBA. Leverage Amazon's logistics to store, pack, and ship your products. Great for private rebels or retail arbitrage. We also have dropshipping. No inventory required. Just partner with suppliers who ships directly to the customers. Here is my advice. Conduct market research. Optimize product listings with SEO. And invest in targeted ads. Now the next path that you can earn money online is through content creation and affiliate marketing. Why it matters? Turn your passion into profit by building a passive income stream. You can earn money through ads revenue, super chats, membership, and even sponsored content. Creators earn approximately from $2 to $12 per 1,000 views, depending on the niche and engagements. Focus on high CPM topics like finance, education, and tech to maximize your earnings. You can also promote millions of products and earn commissions from 1% to 12% per sale by joining Amazon Associate program. You can also get money online through platforms like Patreon, where fans support you monthly. Creators' earnings range from $315 to $1,500 per month, making it a stable source of recurring revenue. Now to succeed here, you need to craft authentic content, engage with your community, and diversify your income. That is ads, sponsorship, membership, and even affiliate marketing. The next way that you can make money online is through venturing into online teaching and creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy is a massive marketplace with 75 million learners and $787 million in 2024 revenue. Instructors earn based on courses sold and promotional contributions. Potential for thousands per course if well marketed. Apart from Udemy, we have also Skillshare. Skillshare is a subscription-based platform where teachers earn based on watch times. Instructors can make from $200 to $3,000 per month, with the top teachers exceeding $100,000 annually. Another platform that you can venture in is ThinkFix and Teachable, or you can host your courses on your website for full control and higher revenue. Now here are my tips for you to succeed. Now the first one is that you need to validate your course ideas. Then you need to invest in quality productions and promote your course across social media and email lists. Another way of making money online is through investing in passive income apps. Why it matters? Grow wealth over time and minimal active work. Now the first one is Robinhood. This is a commission-free trading app with the 25 million funded customers, with the $204 billion assets under custody as of January 2025. It offers stocks, option, crypto, and cash management. You can also earn money online through peer-to-peer lending platforms. So platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allows you to earn interest on personal loans. So start small, diversify, and reinvest your dividends to harness the power of compound. Now the next way to make money online is through niche and gig platforms. Why it matters? Unique opportunities aligned with personal interests. This is the second-hand marketplace where top sellers gross over $160,000 a month. It is great for decluttering your closets. You have just discovered paths to earn money online in 2025. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and always put God first. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.